Think sandwiches have to be boring or expensive? Think again. Today, I'll show you 10 delicious sandwich combos you can make for under $2.50 each. Simple ingredients, tasty flavors, and big savings. Let's get started. Number 1. Egg plus mayo plus lettuce. Classic and cheap. Boiled eggs mixed with mayo, spread on soft bread, and topped with crisp lettuce. Protein-packed for under $2. Number 2. Peanut butter plus banana plus honey. Creamy peanut butter with sweet banana slices and a drizzle of honey. Sweet, filling, and budget-friendly. Number 3. Tuna plus onion plus mayo. Canned tuna mixed with mayo and finely chopped onions on bread. A hearty, flavorful sandwich under $2.50. Number 4. Grilled cheese plus cheddar plus butter. Toasty bread with melted cheddar and butter. Crispy outside, gooey inside, all for pocket change. Number 5. Ham plus tomato plus lettuce. Thin ham slices layered with fresh tomato and lettuce. Simple, fresh, and affordable. Number 6. Chicken shreds plus mayo plus pickles. Leftover chicken mixed with mayo and tangy pickles. A zesty, protein-rich sandwich for less than $2.50. Number 7. Cucumber plus cream cheese and herbs. Refreshing cucumber slices with smooth cream cheese and herbs. Light, tasty, and cheap to prep. Number 8. Sardines plus onion plus lemon. Canned sardines with onion and a squeeze of lemon. Bold, savory, and surprisingly delicious. Number 9. Apple slices plus cheddar cheese and bread. Sweet apple slices with sharp cheddar cheese. Sweet and savory combo under budget. Number 10. Hot dog plus ketchup plus mustard. Sliced hot dog tucked into bread with ketchup and mustard. A quick, filling sandwich for less than $2. See? Delicious sandwiches don't have to break the bank. All of these cost under $2.50 and still taste amazing. Which combo will you try first? Let me know in the comments.